Good morning, students. We are learning our lesson number 4, that is the cope and the anthem. Till now we learned that Soapy tried a lot to get arrested, but every time he failed, isn't it? First of all, he planned to enter a restaurant and eat a good food, but the people at the door did not allow him. Then he tried to have a good food. Even he threw a stone at the window, but he was not considered to be arrested. Then his other plannings also failed every time. Even at last he stole an umbrella of a person. But as soon as he saw a cop, he started shouting, "I stole an umbrella, I stole an umbrella, arrest me." But the policeman thought that a person who steals does not stay there, he runs away. So he did not arrest him. Okay? Even he asked the man whose umbrella he had stolen, he asked him to call a policeman and get him arrested. But the man himself took this umbrella from a restaurant, so there was no possibility of being arrested. And because of this, Soapy got quite upset. This umbrella man said, that is, you know how these things happen. If that is yours, I am very sorry. उसने बोला हाँ ऐसा ही कुछ है, अगर ये तुम्हारा है तो I am sorry. If you say it's yours, I hope you will. उसने कहा अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारा है तो तुम्हारा ही है. Then he shouted, Soapy shouted, "It's mine!" With anger in his voice. वो गुस्से में चिल्लाया, हाँ ये मेरा है. उसको गुस्सा इस बात का आ रहा था that he was not being arrested. The umbrella man hurried away. The cop helped the lady across the street. Soapy walked east. He drew the umbrella as far as he could. He threw the umbrella as far as he could throw it. He talked to himself about cops and what he thought of them. Because he wished to be arrested, they seemed to believe he was like a king who could do no wrong. अब सोपी के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? That umbrella man hurried away. वो जल्दी से चला गया. That coped the policeman helped the lady across the street. उसने एक लेडी को हेल्प की. Then Soapy walked east. उसने उस अम्ब्रेला को इतनी जोर से फेंका जितना वो दम लगाकर फेंक सकता था. Then he was talking to himself. खुद बोल रहा था अपने आप से that what cops said, what he thought about the cops and what cops think about him. He was thinking and speaking about it. He was speaking aloud. Because he wished to be arrested. Actually वो arrest होना चाहता था. But they seemed to believe that he was like a king who could do no wrong. उसको ये लगा था कि पुलिस तो ऐसा सोच रही है कि वो कोई किंग है जो कभी कोई गलती कर ही नहीं सकता. At last, Soapy came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. He turned here and began to walk south towards Madison Square. He was going home, although home was only a seat in the park. आखिर में कहाँ आया सोपी? एक सुनसान रोड, क्वाइट स्ट्रीट पर पहुंचा जो सिटी के कॉर्नर पर थी. He turned here and began to walk south toward the Madison Square. Again he started moving towards the Madison Square. Then He was going home. Where was his home? Did he have any home? No. His home was a seat of any park. So he was trying to have a seat in a park, but at a very quiet corner, Soapy stopped. Here was his old childhood home. Through one window, he could see a soft light shining. That had been his living room, where he had spent many happy, peaceful moments. Sweet music came to Soapy's ears and seemed to hold him there. Now he reached to a corner of a place, corner of a road. Here Soapy stopped and suddenly he realized that it was his childhood home. He saw that a small light was shining there, soft light was shining there. It had been his living room, and where he spent many loving times, peaceful moments. So he recalled, he imagined the sweet memories of his childhood, and he stood there for some time. The moon was above, peaceful and bright. There were few people passing. He could hear birds high above him, and the music that came from room held Soapy there, for he had known it well long ago. In those days, his life contained such things as mothers, flowers, and high hopes and friends, and clean thoughts and clean clothes. How his life changed during these years, just you can think. Now he saw that the moon was shining brightly in the sky. It was peaceful. There were few people passing. बहुत कम लोग थे. He could see, he could hear birds high above him. He also heard the music coming out from the room, and it held Soapy there. इस रूम से कुछ म्यूजिक की आवाज़ आ रही थी जिससे वो वहीं रुक गया. For he had known it well long ago, क्योंकि ये ऐसे म्यूजिक की आवाज़ उसको पहले से महसूस होती रही. Those days, अब उसको चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज याद आ, कुछ रिकॉल कर रहा है. He was lost in his childhood memories when he had his mother, his childhood friends, flowers. Everything was very peaceful and happy at that time. Okay? The sweet music came to Soapy's ears and seemed to hold him there. He realized, he felt a sort of sweet music to his ears, and that made him stop there. इससे वो वहाँ रुक गया. The moon was above. Okay? So he had friends, mother, flowers. Even he had high hopes for his life. He had very high hopes from his life. And clean thoughts. बहुत अच्छी पीसफुल लाइफ थी. बचपन था, अच्छे दोस्त थे, अच्छे कपड़े थे, अच्छे विचार थे. सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जब माँ बाप होते हैं लाइफ में, वी हैव एवरीथिंग, एंड एज सुन एज दे लीव अस, everything gets spoiled. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. अब अचानक उसकी में he realized a sort of change in his soul. Suddenly, he saw with sick fear how he had fallen. He saw his worthless days, his wrong desires, his dead hopes, and lost power of his mind. अचानक उसको लगा कि वो कुछ फियर अपने सोल में महसूस कर रहा है. He saw with sick fear how he had fallen. उसको ये लगने लग गया कि कैसे मेरी लाइफ में डाउनफॉल आ गया. He saw his worthless days. Now he realized that his life is worthless. His time that he was spending was worthless, useless था. उसका सारा समय जो वो बिता रहा था, अपनी लाइफ बिता रहा था। His wrong desires, his bad hopes and lost power of his mind. He was also now remembering that how wrong desires he had made. उसकी desires कितनी गलत हो गई. His hopes are dead now. उसकी उम्मीद ही कुछ नहीं बची लाइफ में. His lost power, the lost power of his mind. अब उसकी दिमाग में कुछ बचा ही नहीं, जैसे सब कुछ सोचने की जो उम्मीदें हैं उसके दिमाग की, दिल की, वो सब खत्म हो गई. एंड ऑल्सो इन अ मोमेंट हिज हार्ट आंसर्ड दिस चेंज इन हिज सोल. तभी उसको एक चेंज महसूस हुआ अपने सोल में. ही वुड फाइट टू चेंज हिज लाइफ. ही वुड पुल हिमसेल्फ अप आउट ऑफ द मड. ही वुड मेक अ मैन ऑफ हिमसेल्फ अगेन. क्या रियलाइज किया उसने? What he decided that he would fight to change his life. He would fight to change his life. This was the strong decision made by him. उसने डिसाइड किया वो अपने आप को इस कीचड़ से बाहर निकालेगा, इस दलदल से बाहर निकालेगा, इस सारे जो रॉन्ग डीड से, रॉन्ग थॉट से, उन सब से अपने आप को बाहर निकालेगा, अपने आप को अब चेंज करेगा वो. He would make a man of himself again. अब वो अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने असूलों के मुताबिक खुद जिएगा, अपनी डिसीजंस खुद लेगा, अपने आप को वो खुद सेफ रखेगा. There was time. He was young enough. He would find his old purpose in life and follow it. That sweet music had changed him. Tomorrow he would find work. A man had once offered him a job. He would find that man tomorrow. He would be somebody in the world. He would. Sophie felt a hand on his arm. He looked quickly around into the broad face of a cow. Now he realized that he is too young. बहुत छोटा है, अभी young है. He would have the time to change himself. उसको अपनी लाइफ का पर्पस ढूंढना होगा उसको खुद को. कल वो काम जरूर ढूंढेगा. एक बार किसी इंसान ने उसको काम ऑफर किया था. He would find that man once again, and suddenly he felt a hand on his arm. उसके हाथ पर किसी ने हाथ रखा. उसने देखा कि एक कॉप था, पुलिसमैन था. What are you doing hanging around here? उसने पूछा यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, कौन कहाँ घूम रहे हो? Nothing. सोफी ने कहा कुछ नहीं. I think I believe that. कॉप ने पूछा तुम्हें क्या लगता मैं तुम्हारी बात पर विश्वास करूँगा? Full of his new strength, Sophie began to argue, and it is not wise to argue with the New York cop. और सोफी अपनी पूरी ताकत लगाकर इससे आर्ग्यू करने लगा, पुलिसमैन से. और इट इज़ नॉट वाइज टू आर्ग्यू विद द न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस. न्यूयॉर्क तुम्हें पता है कैपिटल सिटी है द यूएसए में. सो इट इज़ नॉट वाइज इनफ टू आर्ग्यू विद द न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस. Come along, said the cop. चलो अब मेरे साथ चलो. 3 months prison on Blackwell's Island, said the judge to Sophie next morning. Then he was taken to the judge, and the judge did the rest, and he said he declared a 3 months prison on Blackwell's Island for Sophie. So there was a sudden change in his life. Once again, earlier he was not thinking to change himself. Are you getting my point? And when he decided that he would change himself, there was a sudden change. A policeman came there when he was sitting and planning to get a work. A policeman came there and arrested him. He started to argue with the policeman, and it was not wise enough to argue with a policeman with a New York cop specially, and therefore the next day he was declared 3 months imprisonment on Blackwell's Island. So I hope you have understood the content and the gist of the story.